Hey Primary 5 Math Prodigies, this is Coach Saiful with your daily dose of math mastery, and today we are going to go into question number 5 of your assessment paper number 10 on volume. Okay, this question is actually a primary 6 question. Well, everything is actually. Everything that I gave you are primary 6 questions. Yes. Anyways, here we go. A water container measuring 50 cm long, 45 cm wide, and 30 cm high was filled with water. So what do we know? We already know the volume of the tank, but do we know how much water was in it? No, not yet. Now, it says then that some water, okay, they're not telling us, some water was then poured into a second tank with a base of 75 cm long and 50 cm wide. What do we know? We know there are two tanks. One tank is with this volume, one tank with this base area of 75 by 50. Now, it says part A, if the depth of the water in the first tank was fell by 10 cm, what was the volume of water that was taken out? Okay, so if the depth of the water in the first tank fell by 10 cm, what was the volume of the water that was taken out? Okay, now this might be confusing to you, but let's first of all, let's draw the first tank. Okay. Oops. Okay. So what is it again? 50 cm long, 45 cm wide, and 30 cm width. I don't know. 50 by 45 by 30. So 50 by 45 by 30. Am I right? 50 length, 45 wide. And why am I taking so thoroughly? Because if I make a mistake, the base area will be different, and so the whoa. Okay, so that's what you just heard was actually one of my school. I'm actually at school, and yeah. So, anyways, what we're gonna do now is okay. This is the base area, correct? Now, it says that the water level dropped by 10 cm. Remember, this water was being poured into a second tank. Okay, I think I better draw the second tank as well. Oh wow. Okay, I'm gonna freestyle this. Okay. Oh, this is very bad drawing. Okay, but anyway, 10 cm. What happened was it dropped by 10 cm. Remember? So maybe I don't know what it was. Okay, let's just say it's from here to here. Doesn't matter. From here to here, it dropped by 10 cm. Now, can you tell me? Let's just say that I don't know what the original amount of water was, but can you still tell me what is the volume of water that was taken out? Can you? Try to figure this out. Can you do that? The answer is yes, you can figure it out. Because what you will see is this is the amount of water that was taken out. Correct? So that means 10 cm of water is also similar to saying that the tank is filled with 10 cm of water. Okay, so to find the volume of water that was taken out is very simple. Volume of water equals to length times breadth times height. In this case, your length is 50, remains 45, breadth still the same, but the height is 10. So 50 by 45 by 10 will give you the volume and the answer for question 5A. 50 by 45 by 10. Why is that really that big? Oh yes, it is. Will give you 22500. 22500 cm cubed. And that's the answer for part A. Excuse me. Now for part B, what was the water level in the second tank? Now you know that this amount of water was being poured into the second tank, right? This was being poured into the second tank. And what is the base area of the second tank? We already know. It's 75 by 50. So if we know the base area, can we find the height and we know the volume? Can. So height is equals to volume, which is 22500, divided by the base area, in this case 50 times 75. Okay, I'm going to take out this for a while, which gives me 22500 divided by, what's 50 times 75? 3750. So 22500 divided by 3750, and then you will get the height of the second tank, which is 22500 divided by 6. Bam! So the answer is also 6 cm. So that's it. Voila! You've done this question. Very simple question. That's it. Alright, so good job. If you got this right, high five to you because you are a math prodigy, good job. And like I said, if you really want to get it, if you really want to learn volume or anything else in this world, you just have to repeat it. Studies have shown that we forget things very fast. So if you learn something now, within 2 hours, you have to read it again. That's what I do in school. And that's why I do so well in school. So again, like I said, if you really want to get it, you just have to repeat it. With that, this is Coach Saiful signing off saying you are a math prodigy. Good job.